Hey guys, this is Michael Mongelli from MarineMax in Sarasota, standing aboard a brand new 2024 250 Dauntless from Boston Whaler. This boat's well appointed, starting with a V8 300 in white, the back of the boat. You're going to see a nicely positioned power pole as well for shallow water anchoring. This boat features some nice comfortable backrests here in the back, but you can also lay these down like such. Creates a nice big comfortable casting area back here in the back with plenty of rod holders. Coming around the backside here, guys, plenty of storage here built into the helm. 5-gallon bucket stores here for your trash or however you want to use it, and well as some drawer storage as well. Nice section here at the helm. Simrad electronics, lockable storage, Simrad VHF, JL audio syncs up wirelessly to your phone, and nice twin bolstered with armrests helm as well. As we move forward, 25 Dauntless offers a lot of bow space here with all these cushions, flip up backrests on both sides, as well as a nice lounge center here. Plenty of place to sit, and also deep storage, much like the 28 Dauntless, but they now offer here on the 25. So this has been a brief walkthrough of our brand new 25 Dauntless here in Sarasota. We hope you come check it out.